good, huh?
No. I don't want to waste all my gas cutting this shit. I just cut that next one.
It's all rotted on the inside here.
Yeah.
Super soft.
Son of a bitch.
We do get some good pieces though. This stuff was all dead already, burnt up from a fire that came through here. So, for sure dead and seasoned. You can see the rot starting a little bit right there. But, that's what we're doing. Think that's enough?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be good.
I think we're pretty packed in there, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty packed.
It's a lot of good juniper. Lasts us a little while. All right, you ready to get shed hunting?
Let's go.
All right.
Tops.
Yeah, it was about 15 minutes. Took us to split all that wood.
It probably felt like long because you guys were doing the work.
Little Champion 3-ton. Oh, 34 ton. Why don't you tell us about that table, Pa?
Well, when we bought it, it had only this little table right here that was mounted just on the side. So when you split a log, like those big logs that you seen that we were splitting, which were about, I don't know, 18 in diameter, we'd have to stick the log on the ground and then split it, pick the log back up, put it on the table, put it over. So what I did is I took this table off and built this table so we can put several logs on here. So when we're splitting, we can push it over here on this side, split, hand it to the person that's stacking, and then roll the log back on without having to go to the ground and pick it back up to put it back up here to split. So it makes a big difference. This thing can hold probably about 500 pounds, and it's all mounted to the main I-beam that the hydraulics actually mounted to.
So the whole thing's custom?
All custom. So it all mounts to basically the I-beam back here with 2, 4, 6 bolts, and this whole table will come off.
And still allow it to pivot up like it's supposed to, huh?
Yeah, it'll still be able to pivot into the vertical position.
And you're able to reach your gas through the little holes here, huh?
Yeah, it also keeps logs from rolling off of the table and onto the machine itself, or the exhaust and everything like that. So it actually protects the motor and everything on this side when the log's sitting on the table.
I think that's pretty sweet.
Makes a big difference.
Yeah, it does.
It also protects your equipment in the meantime.
Yeah, because normally this little table was what was...
The only thing that would basically kept your log from rolling off the table was this little, I don't know, 16-inch by 8-inch table that was mounted to the side right here.
And it could have rolled off this way right onto your engine and everything like that, huh?
Yeah, and so now it protects everything on this side.
Awesome. Super useful.
Yeah, I'm happy with it. Came out good. Anybody from Champion wants to purchase my table? You can get in touch with me at 623-298-8926.
There you go.
How are you putting them in there?